Hi friends, this is Ram Gopal Verma. Vanakkam, Namaskar, Abhar. I am a chartered accountant and cost accountant and insurance surveyor for last 35 years. I am in close touch with the insurance companies across the country with all the insurance companies. I have written this book on INSURE and SEUCURE for fire insurance claims. So you can make out what is the depth of my knowledge in the insurance field. Every day and night we are dealing only with insurance claims across the country of all types. Now, while dealing with insurance companies, I've learned certain things which are of good use to all the people across the country, which may not be related to fire, but maybe something else. One of them is what? Personal accident policy. Like you may be working, you may be a small businessman, industrialist, you may be a self-employed professional, you may be a chartered accountant, you may be a surveyor, you may be anything. Not in the employment, you are not a job, you are not in this thing. So for this type of people like us, we very much need a PA policy, personal accident policy. Not for breaking of legs, this, that, claiming little bit of amount for medical purpose. No, not at all. What if we die? Why? What if there is a death? The man is going by car to his place, going by flight, going by truck, or going by any other means of transportation, or maybe there is a small accident and you die. So your whole family is ruined. If you take a policy, insurance policy of like, for example, of 5 lakh, 10 lakh, there's nothing. It can't give you protection from your education of your children, marriage, taking care of the family. What? Even 10 lakhs, you can't get even a small room in a place like Delhi. So 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 20 lakhs may not be enough. What do you need? Is a good amount of sum insured. For example, 1 crore. For PA policy of 1 crore, for example, in these private, not the private, government insurance company, they're charging around 6,000 rupees for a year premium. It's fine, it's good. Like even if you good dinner in a hotel, may cost you even 5-6 for that amount, you are getting a PA policy for 1 crore. It's a good sum. And for that, what you need? Your income is return for last 6 years should be more than 1 crore. For example, you are filing return of 20 lakhs. So 25 is 1 crore. So fine, that amount is enough. So you can get a insurance. You are eligible for a 1 crore sum insured. Not that you don't have an income, you don't have policy. Insurance company will not give you that high an amount. It will give you much lesser amount. Similarly, for 1 crore sum insured, if there is a death, all of a sudden family is not like completely making bankrupt, that they are into financial trouble. No, as a family's head, you should always plan that okay, I pay insurance premium for 5-6 thousand rupees every year. Nothing happens to me. Fine, I'm a happy man at the end of the day. What if something happens? You are into flight. What can you do? Jump on it, save, run away. Nothing. The only thing is death. You are in a car driving, or somebody else is driving. You are sitting in a car. Accident happens every now and then. Hundreds and thousands people are dying every year in road accidents and all that. So you should take a proper insurance policy at least for 1 crore. You are an industrialist, businessman and all that. You should cover maybe crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. Even if you pay 2 crore worth, how much? 12,000 rupees. Peanuts. Nothing at all. In that, it is very good for your family. And these policies you don't get other places. If you go to any other private company, they may charge you like much bigger amount. But you must take this policy death only, not for limbs, this, that. No, not at all. Tell them I want for death only. Give me a policy of 1 crore. So the premium would be the minimum most. It's good, very good for you. So friends, PA policy 1 crore, death only. Take it from any government insurance company and it's good for you. Fine, that is the number 1. Number 2, out of my experience, I found out that we all buy life insurance policy. I also bought and all that. But later on I realized, no, not at all. I don't want. My income is always like this. Someday up, someday down. When I have good income, I take out some good money from it. Maybe like, for example, I took out 2 lakhs to buy insurance policy of 5 lakhs. I said them, take one short premium. Lot of them, LSE and all that, they come out with the policy. Single premium, that's all. After that, you don't know the insurance company. They give you a policy, fully sum insured paid. It's good for you in the sense that lot of time they give you like assured return plus bonus, etc. 5 lakhs will become in 25 years, it will become almost 20-25 lakhs. It's a good amount. Whenever you have in money, take one short single insurance premium and enough and forget. So that take a good amount of period also. Suppose you are at the age of 30, you can pay it for next 30 years, for example, or 25 years. Take a policy for the period. You don't have to pay any premium after that. Forget. So, only 40% of the premium of the sum insured you paid. Otherwise, normally you pay the full premium of the total sum insured. Now, in this case, you don't. Secondly, your return is much good. It is more than annuity. It gives you security of the family. Your total sum insured is there. And in case of accidental death, you can double the sum insured. Like instead of 5, you are covered for 10. So, but over a period of time, when you are alive and all that, you enjoy that money. Fine. Then money comes to you. Like for example, I bought 2 policies of 5 lakhs each. I will get 25 plus 25. 50 lakhs I will get. Fine, is good. So I forgot. I paid the amount and forgot it. I said I don't want to pay anymore. That's all. So these LIC policies of single premium is very good for you. I think all the people should plan like that. That is number 2. Number 3, that is the best of all, which out of my research, out of my interest as an insurance surveyor, insurance man across the country, I go and I found out how to take a medical insurance policy. One of my friends has taken a medical insurance policy at the age of 65 for 57,000 rupees. I said, you must be nuts. How can you pay 57,000 rupees? Impossible. But he's paid it. And a lot of people pay like that. You go to any site of the insurance medical policies, at the age of 65, yeah, that would be the premium. 50, 60, 70,000, 80,000 rupees, much bigger. The older, more premium. I said, no, not at all. You must find out a way. How? Let us come straight to the point. How? You should go to a government bank, public sector bank, for example, Canara Bank, PNB, or this Union Bank of India. Tell them, sir, do you have any medical policy for all the savings account holders? Open a bank account, deposit 10,000 rupees, open a bank account, and now then ask them, sir, whatever the insurance policy that you have. Ask in advance, no doubt, do the research, and then open a bank account. They have a standard policy. For example, for 3 lakhs rupees, premium is how much? 8,000 rupees you pay. Fine, for 1 year you are completely insured. For 3 lakhs rupees, 8,000 rupees, while other people are charging how much? Through the sky, maybe 50,000 rupees. What for? Are you giving me something different? No, not at all. Same hospital, same TPA, same insurance company, premiums are different and different. If you go individually, they may charge you much bigger amount. If you go to a small group, again, much bigger amount. If you go through these banks, the group is much bigger, maybe a few crore. Savings account holder have opted for their policy. They all run for that because the premium is the lowest and you get the same benefit of cashless, same hospitals, same everything. Fine, you plan. So you should buy a medical insurance policy from a government bank. The reason being, it is the cheapest possible, which nobody would tell you except Ram Gopal Verma. You go to any site, they will say, no sir, forget it. No such policy exists. You go to an agent, forget it sir. Development officer, not at all. Nobody. It is only the banks. Where you go, you enter into a group policy. Then the number of people may be in lakhs and crores. So insurance companies have given them the policy. Sir, this is for your account holders only, not for everybody. Good. Good. This is opening bank account is not a problem. That is the number 1. Number 2, whenever there is a medical treatment you need and all that, you must make sure there are certain restrictions. For example, 2-3 years that pre-existing disease cover is there. Okay, till that time you don't declare to the insurance, yes sir, I got BP, I got sugar, no problem. For 3 years or 2 years, you won't get any benefit. After 2-3 years, you get, lot of times you can plan for your hospitalization and all that. You should plan and find out how much is the limit for that particular treatment. For example, any stunt and all that, find out. For hernia, find out how much amount. Stick to the limit. Don't exceed that limit. If the hospital says, sir, you can take a 5-star room and all that with 24 hours, says, Baba, I don't need. My policy is for 3 lakhs rupees. 1% of the sum insured is 3,000. I am eligible for room only up to 3,000. Sir, for 3,000, I don't have any room. My room starts from 10,000. Sir, I don't need a room. Give me a dormitory or general ward. I am happy, after the operation, whether you stay in a dormitory or operation, doesn't matter at all. There also air conditioner, there also air conditioner, all the facilities are there, fine. He said, whenever you got vacancy in the dormitory or in the general ward, I will come. Don't worry at all. That is the number 1. Number 2, if you pay for room rent much higher than 1%, there will be proportionate expenses. Suppose you spend 2 lakhs, so 1 lakh rupees you pay or 1 lakh rupees insurance company pays because you have paid for double the, in case of double, what happens? Same hospital, same OT, same doctor, same treatment, they charge you double. What for? Because you are living in a big room. So what? But that's the rule. You accept it or reject it. Fine. You can't have a choice. So you must always plan that what. Then thirdly, before you enter to the hospital, tell them, sir, this is my policy, this is my everything, and sir, please take an approval from the insurance company. They have taken in advance approval, then yes, I will come. After you get an approval, they may take 1 or 2, 3, 4 days, 5 days, let them take. Then you tell, you got an approval, now I will come, but no cash, no nothing. I won't make any payment. You get everything through the TPA, through the insurance company. Don't worry at all. They will arrange all that. So these sort of things you have to plan. A small little bit of expenditure, maybe after the hospitals and all, the little bit of medicine here and there doesn't matter. Maybe how much? Maybe 2, 3, 4,000, 5,000 rupees. Fine, take it. But bulk of the expenditure have been taken care of. Like for example, I got hernia operation. The hospital said it will cost you 1,40,000. I said my insurance policy is only for 1 lakh. What should I do? I said, and 1% of the room rent is 1,000. You don't have a room? Yes, sir. I don't have a room. I said, okay, fine. I'll come and stay in your general ward. I just need 1 day operation, second day evening you are relieved. I said, fine. I don't need any room. Keep me in the general ward. They said, okay, in that case the charges will be 40,000. For the same doctor, same OT, same operation theatre, same treatment. They charge me 40,000. I got the treatment done by the doctor, and second day I worked on it. Then they told, weekend I won't come to you because hospitals are, these doctors do not come, insurance companies are closed, TPA is closed, all are closed. So I will come in a working day, so that next day you can easily get approval from them and I can work out freely. So likewise, you must do a little research, little planning, which is good for you, and these are perfectly good for you. You should plan in such a way. So medical policies through a government bank is good for you. So take it. These are the experiences I shared with you, all the public, all the people across the country, for the benefit of all. So that my experience I am sharing with all the people for the benefit of all the people. Why to honestly pay a huge amount of premium? Not at all. Pay premium for the right cause, like for one-time LIC or for PA policy, medical policy, lowest possible. You get the same. Hospitals are not creating any hospital, insurance companies. You go to the hospital, same hospital, whether it is a private bank or government bank, doesn't matter. Same hospital are on their panel. You can get a treatment from the best, but rooms. But the treatment you should plan in such a way so that the expenditure at minimum is win-win for all. So friends, this is Ram Gopal Verma. I share with all the people across the country all my experience and knowledge with all the people. Thank you very much.